So this one is the white noise machine, another portable white noise machine.
Oh, this is my favorite one. I love the sound of like a beachy water. Um, volume up, volume down, your choice. You can change the light settings on it as well. There is like a night light mode, which is nice. You can turn that off and on. And I do like the little colors that are illuminating. Um, so you've got your different sounds on this one. Your white noise sounds here.
Ooh, I like
Oh,
that.
oh, that would make me anxious too. I
This is
think.
like you in an apartment, you know what I mean, in New York, and it's on a
Exactly.
windy day, and your building's moving.
I know.
Oh, that's
More
the fire
crackling
crackling.
of fire. I
Yep.
like that. Crystal clear sound quality. This would drive me.
27 soothing sounds.
And there's also some songs in here for your kids, if they prefer that. This one has a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and 4 hour auto timer.